Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to track iPhone location. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, go to your iPhone and tap settings, and then tap your name and tap find my, and then tap find my iPhone and toggle it on, then toggle this on also, and that's it. Come back. As you can see here, now find my iPhone, it's on. Well, close this window and come back to your computer and go to google.com and write in the search bar iCloud login. Then go to iCloud, scroll down and click sign in. Then write your email Apple ID here, then click here. And here you can continue with password, or if you have a passkey you can continue with a passkey. Well, I'll choose continue with password and write your password here, then click here. Now, as you can see here, iCloud will send you a 6 number to your iPhone. Well, unlock your iPhone and tap allow, and this is the 6 number, write it here. So if you trust this browser, next time iCloud doesn't ask you about verification, okay? So if you click trust next time, iCloud will not ask you about verification. Well, here scroll down and go to find my. And as you can see here, my phone is online. And now click on your iPhone, and this is the location of your iPhone. Now you can change the map to satellite, and this is exactly the place or location of your iPhone. So that's how you can track your iPhone location. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and see you to the next video.